Let's also get a sense, Ishika, from you on what's happening there around you, because you're also covering that important protest that is taking place. The BJP, remember, is up the ante against the Aam Aadmi Party over the coaching centre deaths, raising issues regarding administrative apathy, complicity, corruption, and of course the administrative mess that this entire coaching centre nightmare has exposed. So, Ishika, the BJP, they're protesting outside the AAP office. What more can you tell us?
Well, the political drama over the Rajendra Nagar unfortunate incident continues to intensify on the streets of the national capital. We are showing you the visuals from the BJP protest. You can see that today the BJP is in fact demanding the resignation of not just Arvind Kejriwal but also Aatishi in this entire matter. They say that it was because of their mismanagement and corruption that 3 students lost their life. I'll go across, to the BJP leaders and the supporters here. Today you're protesting here. What are your demands?
See, demands are very clear. What has happened in the recent, this is such a disaster which should have never ever happened. Before monsoon arrives, come what may, whichever the government is, there is a process, there is a drill to it, where the sewer lines, where the rainwater harvest, drainages, they have been clean. But this time, there was no such process at all. You can see now the drainages are getting clean because of all the pressure, and such incident happens just because of this. 3 children, they lost their life. Who is ready to take the blame on? Who is ready to take the responsibility on? It's been 10 years. You can see the condition of the sanitation, the roads, sewers, electricity, water, what all do this Aam Aadmi Party government wants.
So certainly, we are also showing you the placard, in fact, that these protesters are in fact holding. You can see, where it is written that Chhatron ki maut par Delhi Sarkar par kanuni karwai. So you're demanding an inquiry on the Delhi government itself.
Yes, we are demanding the resignation of Chief Minister. We are actually demanding a resignation of Aatishi. We are demanding a resignation of Shelly Oberoi, because all are involved in all this. And we all have kids, and we are really, really sad today that kids have gone. And now, what will happen?
Well, certainly the responsibility needs to be fixed. But on the other hand, the Delhi government, they are now pushing the blame on the Lieutenant Governor. They say that because the officers come under the Lieutenant Governor, the Delhi government cannot take action against the officers. How do you
see this is high time the government, the Kejriwal government, the Delhi government should take strict actions upon each and every one responsible for this. This is definitely unfortunate, but the most unfortunate thing is that this is not something which has happened just because of the negligence of the government.
So you heard the protesters, they continue to say that the responsibility needs to be fixed. We'll show you the visuals here. You can see how they continue to raise slogans against the Delhi government. We want to know from you, today you plan to march towards the Aam Aadmi Party's office.
Ishika, if you can hear me, I have a question for the protesters from the studio as well. My question is very simple. As far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they have no place to hide because they now run the government in the MCD. But what the Aam Aadmi Party has said in its defense is, what was the BJP-run MCD doing for the last 15 years? If these drains were not built and solidified in the last 15 years by the BJP-run MCD, how could they perhaps expect the Aam Aadmi Party to do it? That's what the Aam Aadmi Party has said. Can you present that version to the protesters there and ask them for a reaction, please?
Well, yes, certainly, we have seen that since yesterday, the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government, in fact, has blamed the Lieutenant Governor and also has blamed the BJP. Now, Now the Aam Aadmi Party says that the BJP was in the MCD government for 15 years. They did nothing for the drains. Then how do they expect that the Aam Aadmi Party will in fact correct the entire system?
This is completely blame game, which they have this narrative. It's been 10 years since the time they are into the government, right? Coming back to the MCD, in 2022, they formed the government in the MCD. And when we talk about the cleanliness, it is all about the cleanliness, whether we are getting it done within 3 months or not. Before the monsoon, why didn't they get the
They
cleanliness?
are saying that you were in the government, MCD government for 15 years. What were you?
I would just like to ask the basic question. If we don't do the cleaning for an year, does that 10-year of work is getting accumulated or not? It is everyday process. This desettling, this cleanliness is required every now and then. That's the basic right of a human being, isn't it or not? So how can they say, how can they talk about it? When the monsoon was about to arrive, why didn't they get the cleanliness drive done in May itself? Why that citizen of Delhi, we are sitting in a capital. What the hell are we talking about Singapore, Beijing and XYZ? Where are we?
Well, in fact, as you heard here what they say, the BJP says that it is just petty politics from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party because this needs to be done every year. What were they doing for the past 10 years is what the BJP now asks. But certainly, if we talk about Shelley Oberoi also, she had said that, the drains now the MCD also has taken action over this. MCD now has taken action. They have sealed the basement of 13 coaching centers.
बात देखिए, कहते हैं ना क्या जब होता है चिड़िया चुंग गई 6 खेत, अब क्या होता है जब 4 लोगों की जान चली गई, अब उनकी आंखें खुली हैं। मैं कहती हूँ अभी भी वो आंखें खोल लें, मगर आप देखिएगा रिजल्ट सफर रहेगा, फिर से रहेगा। ये सिर्फ उनका दिखावा है, एक्शन करना। ये जो मीटिंग,
तो आप बीजेपी ऐसे ही प्रोटेस्ट करते रहेगी जब तक इस्तीफा नहीं?
देखिए बिल्कुल क्योंकि लगातार 1 महीने से प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है इस चीज को लेके, जल भराव को लेके। एक दिन का काम नहीं है ये, मगर जब तक वो इस्तीफा नहीं देंगे तब तक ये प्रोटेस्ट चलता रहेगा।
तो क्या लगता है इस्तीफा मिलेगा तो सोल्यूशन हो जाएगा?
शर्म तो आएगी केजरीवाल को कि इस तरह के कांड दोबारा ना हो, जहाँ पर हर रोज बच्चे मर रहे हैं। हम अपने बच्चों को इतनी सुरक्षा के लिए भेजते हैं, वहाँ पे कोई सुरक्षा का साधन नहीं था। एमसीडी क्या काम कर रही है? उन्हें दो इंजन की सरकार चाहिए थी, लेकिन ऐसा कोई एक इंजन काम नहीं कर रहा उनका।
केजरीवाल के इस्तीफे से सोल्यूशन ये है। इस समय बताइए दिल्ली की सरकार कौन चला रहा है? आतिशी। क्या केजरीवाल की नैतिकता नहीं बनती कि वो इस्तीफा दे और या किसी और दूसरे को मुख्यमंत्री बनाए? दिल्ली देश की राजधानी है, यहाँ पर बहुत आशा लेके दूसरे राज्यों से आते हैं। फ्री बिजली, फ्री पानी की बात की थी, दे दिया उन बच्चों को फ्री बिजली और फ्री पानी।
BJP is up in arms against the Aam Aadmi Party. They have fresh ammunition against the party. They are demanding accountability. They are demanding heads to roll. They are questioning who's actually running the government. They're also responding to the charge. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party said, what was the BJP doing for the last 15 years? The BJP is hitting back and saying that the onus lies on the Aam Aadmi Party that currently runs the MCD in order to ensure that drains are periodically cleaned, in order to ensure proper maintenance and, of course, compliance that comes under the MCD. Ishika, they're joining us live from the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, where the BJP has upped the ante and holding that massive protest. We'll continue to get you all the latest action from Parliament and the big story from the national capital.